how to upload photos and videos automatically to Google Photos from your Android device. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your photos, Google Photos. Then tap enable this backup photos and videos on this device. Tap on get started, and after this takes you to an interface, it will automatically start saving your photos or backing up your photos in Google Photos. So yeah, it's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.